आजकल एक चीज हो रही है मेरे साथ, इंस्टाग्राम या फेसबुक किधर भी ऐसे थोड़ा भी रिफ्रेश मारो तो 5 लोगों की शादियां हो जाती है।
24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spend the weekend getting even. We spend the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, baby. Roll that backward, baby, and play me close.
Namaste, welcome back to the channel. This is Arushi here and today I am going to be your shopping guide. 4 outfits जो मैंने मिंत्रा से खरीदे और इनका टोटल बिल 6500 आया। मतलब मैं आपको 4 outfits, exclusive ones, how to style them and how you can wear them, and along with that even give you alternatives कि अगर आपको ये नहीं अच्छा लगा so 2-3 more alternatives and the links will be in the description box. So if this interests you and this is what you wanted for the longest time, then this is the shopping guide for you.
अरे हो गया है तुझको तो प्यार सजना, लाख कर ले तू इनकार सजना।
अब जब आप मेहंदी के लिए आउटफिट चूज करती हो, यू आइदर गो फॉर अ स्लीवलेस आउटफिट और अ हाफ स्लीव आउटफिट। गोइंग फॉर अ फुल स्लीव्स मेक्स नो सेंस बिकॉज आप मेहंदी लगा रहे हो। तो दिस इज व्हाट आई गॉट फॉर मेहंदी। सो मेहंदी के लिए आई वांटेड टू गो फॉर मेहंदी कलर ओनली, सो आई चोज दिस आउटफिट। और इस पे जो गोल्डन एम्बेलिशमेंट्स है विद द कलर ऑफ मेहंदी बहुत सुंदर लगता है। When you wear a collar or a full बंद neck वाला something, it looks very royal automatically. So मेहंदी का कलर along with golden details. और यहाँ पे जो प्रिंट है ना, this also gives kind of the मेहंदी, जैसे छापा वाला मेहंदी होता है ना, ये वाला उसका प्रिंट है। So I think this can be the perfect outfit for मेहंदी। तो I तो totally loved it. I hope you like it too. If you want to buy it, link is in the description box. Got this in the size small, मतलब इसका measurements थोड़ा बड़ा है, so I got it 2 sizes small. So order accordingly. अब मेहंदी में apart from these options, here are a few outfits that I picked up for you.
दिल तो पागल है, दिल दीवाना है।
बोले चूड़ियां, बोले कंगना। So I wanted to go for something जो तुम बाद में भी पहन सकते हो. And of course, I didn't want to go for a dull color, but a very bright color, so I chose this one because it's very long. It has this very बड़ा सा घेरा types, तो it solves the purpose. And because it's an अनारकली, तुम अच्छे से डांस कर सकते हो लटके झटके मार के, and you can have the time of your lives. The price of this is 1500 and the material is very nice. It's that raw silk वाला जो look होता है ना, वो लुक आता है। यहाँ पे छोटी छोटी ऐसी क्यूट क्यूट सी बुटियां दी है। बुटिया क्या होता है? इट हैज पैंट्स along with a anarkali, so it gives you a proper fit. The pants are very proper kurti set, right? So it has a very gorgeous dupatta. It's a net dupatta, and net dupatta ke sath you can play a lot, you know, when you are in the sangeet and do these steps. And फिलहाल के लिए बाल खराब हो गए। You just wear very heavy earrings and that's it. You can go for a golden earring because ये सब पे जाएगा। Get one golden झुमका. I think you already have one. और अगर ज़्यादा थोड़ा पैसा खर्च करने का कुछ आ रहा है तो you can go for this color वाला earring, the turquoise blue. So again मैं size large हूँ. I ordered it in the size medium. Order accordingly. If you still want to go for a lehenga on Sangeet, here are a few picks that I like.
नींद चुराई मेरी किसने ओ सनम तूने।
Shadi and lehenga are proportional, so I had to get a lehenga for the shadi. Let me show you. Velvet is really costly and I got this very gorgeous ready to wear lehenga. कि अगर टेलर और बाहर जाने का झंझट नहीं चाहिए and you want something directly at your doorstep, so I searched for ready to wear lehengas only on Myntra and oh god, this just fit me well. I got this in the size medium from Anok and the look of velvet is only very rich, and weddings में velvet when you wear it automatically gives you that graceful look, and of course in the color blue. And if anybody just comes to you and is like, oh nice blouse, तो tell them हाँ डिजाइनर नहीं। अभी ये आउटफिट मैंने 1600 का लिया है। So if you're going for a lehenga with a velvet blouse ready to made 1600, तो कुछ तो कमी होना चाहिए. So but the lehenga that you're wearing is not a net lehenga but a cotton lehenga, but still the print and everything looks very proper. The lehenga fits properly and it flares down properly. So if you can go for a cotton lehenga, and if you would like to go for a cotton lehenga, I think this option just fits your budget. And the color is, I guess सबको blue color पसंद है. सब कौन पैदा हुआ है जिसको blue color नहीं पसंद. अब ब्लाउज और लहंगा तो इतना प्रिटी हो गया, तो दुपट्टा तो देना बनता है ना. 3 piece only. So this is a net dupatta and they gave a very gorgeous net dupatta, good quality one by the way. And इसका जो पाइपिंग है ना, इसका पाइपिंग भी प्रॉपर सा लेस सा बना के दिया है, which matches the one that they have given here on the blouse. And यहाँ पे क्यूट से ऐसे लटकन है, very pretty. If you're not a lehenga person during the wedding and if you want to go for a sari, here are a few saris that I picked up which might well interest you. I know I got this vibe जब मैंने ये साड़ी ओपन की. Now don't shout at me कि मैंने साड़ी भी ब्लू खरीदी. I had to, like, what is this? It's legit all over sequins, man. It looks so gorgeous. So if you want to be the spotlight, मतलब bride को तो लोग देखेंगे, पर bride के अलावा वो कौन सी bridesmaid है जो इतनी pretty दिख रही, and then you'll enter. Hi. And you will be wearing this gorgeous sari. And if you wear a sequin sari can actually go on 2 occasions. Go for a reception or go for a cocktail party. And go for some sexy backless blouse or a halter neck blouse. कोई काकूबाई स्टाइल का ब्लाउज मत पहनो इसको इस पे. And I know you girls are already very smart, but just a heads up कि इस पे halter neck or backless or just a very thin strappy blouse sexy बनाओ जितना बना सकते हो इस outfit को, because this outfit and this saree is going to catch every person का आँख. लाइट गिरेगा, आप चमकोगे, ऐसा वाला outfit है. ये 1700 का खरीदा था मैंने from Myntra and I think it's totally worth the price. Of course इसमें ब्लाउज का मटेरियल अलग से दिया हुआ है और I feel black and blue also plays like a good combination. So you can go for a black blouse, but I still would prefer कि go for the same color one because उसका effect ज़्यादा उठ के आएगा. If you want to get the blouse stitched, you have the blouse material, but if you do not want to step out of your house, you can go for something like I did. And if you're not a girl who wants to be an attention seeker and सब मुझे क्यों देख रहे हैं बहन, if you are that kind of a person and you want to be subtle and simple and get elegant on reception or on a cocktail party, here are a few pics that I found on Myntra. I hope this video was helpful and insightful. Let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite outfit. मेरी favorite was this saree because I think this is just like out there and I love out there wale outfits. That's my personality. But let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite outfit or if you liked anyone from the alternatives. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with all the people who have the wedding season on their list and who are struggling to get the perfect outfit. Might as well this video help them. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye. The sequence is just so amazing. Ouch! Subscribe if you like the video.